How to book Grab taxi in advance, Philippines. So if you want to book Grab taxi in advance, then first you need to open up your Grab application. Once you've opened the application, make sure to log into your account. And now you just need to go for all, which is on the upper right. And now go for transport and go for car. And once you're here, you need to choose the location. So let me give you more details about how to book a Grab taxi. So once you open your Grab application, you need to pick up your location, right? So after picking up your location, you need to enter your date and time, in which date you would like to book, and then the time. And after entering the date and time, the last thing you need to do is tap on the book. And once you tap on book, you will book the Grab taxi. So it was that easy to book a Grab taxi in advance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.